There are also crash courses provided, and I believe you have tried them. How has your experience been with our crash courses?
Yeah, I mean, for me, it's really early in the morning, and depending on my schedule, I might not be able to make it. But the ones that I have been to, um, it's awesome. I mean, it's amazing how much information is given to you, and yeah, I wish that I could attend more, and but yeah, I just as I said, I have a lot of stuff going on, so I can't always make those. But it's a nice to have, definitely.
Awesome. I hope, sometime if there's ever any chance you do get, you get to see a recorded version of it. A lot of them are free for students to rewatch, and they're quick crash courses that are really helpful and are additional resources available. So that's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.